was insane. I got seasick. It was bad. Good morning, everyone. So we are going to be doing our excursion. At the moment, we just left the ship, and yeah. So we are headed to where the tour guide is, and I'm going to be taking you around Mykonos to see the best of Mykonos. So please keep watching. Also, before we start, for those of you who don't know me, welcome. My name is Marinella, and I'm uploading vlogs from a cruise with Royal Caribbean International. I'm on Explorer of the Seas. If you haven't subscribed, please be sure to do so. Sandy, can you tell us a little bit about the excursion?
Sure. We're going to 3 places. I think one is Delos, the other one I don't know, and the other one is Mykonos downtown. JK, town of Mykonos.
Stay, if the bridge is here, stay here until this long start to get it.
That's Delos Island right there. So we are on top of the boat. Here is the beginning of the tour, and they told us that they have sufficient life jackets for everyone. So we are going to make our way to the next port, and that's where the cruise is going to begin. Our destination, and I want for you guys to see the view. The water here is so beautiful. Oh, those are the bathrooms. They told us to use the bathrooms on the boat because they only have 2 bathrooms for everyone here. Delos is an ancient island in Greece. With this tour, what they're going to do is that they're going to guide you throughout the city so that you can get an insight of how this civilization lived. The guide told us that without electricity, when people would live here, they created an AC system using marble and water. Basically, they would fill the floor with water, and since marble itself is cool, they would go inside the room to cool off. It's me again. So behind me, this is a museum shop. It's open on one side, but right now it's not fully functioning. And behind that is where they have a water fountain, not a water fountain, but they sell bottled water. You have to have coins for it. That's very important. If you don't have coins, then there's like a little shop. Let's see if I can show you. Right over there, where you can change €5, and then they give you money so that you can go and get your bottled water. But just so you guys have an idea, let me show you. Let's go. Look, this is where they have the water fountain. I keep saying water fountain, but this is where they have the bottled water right here. And then this is the ocean, the shore. It's so beautiful. So there is a cafeteria that they have, which I think looks like a cafeteria, so I wanted to show you. And then the restrooms are also here. Wait, I disappeared. Oh no, it's not a cafeteria. I think this is where they exchange the money. It's not a cafeteria. So yeah, no food. And then this is the ship that's going to take us to the second part of the excursion, because this excursion is for like 8 hours. So we haven't ate anything. I had breakfast before I left. That's about it. So there's a cafeteria inside the ship. Yeah, they only accept cash. So there's fruit. Sandwiches, drinks, sodas. This is where we're gonna sit. So I don't sit here. So I'll have to get in through here. Ah! There's Sandy over there. And then look at this view. Gorgeous. Everyone is having a snack break. Can't even breathe. And I'm having this sandwich. Tomatoes here have a whole new taste. This is ham, bread, and I want for you guys to see how cool this is. So, my hair is a mess, but here's the sandwich. How much was this?
€8.
Two of these and one of these, it was €8. Not bad. Then we went on to the island of Mykonos. It was so windy. When I'm telling you so windy, it was insane, to the fact that the following day we went to Athens, and after that, that's when they canceled the port of Olympia because of how strong the winds were and how unsafe it was. So if you go during the month of June, just know that it might be very windy. So we have made it up to the windmills. I want for you guys to see. So these are iconic to Mykonos and they are centuries old. Here they are. By the way, if you made it this far, please subscribe to the channel. We're gonna keep exploring Mykonos, and I do truly apologize about the wind. As you guys know, my microphone broke yesterday, so it is what it is.
Shops yesterday to see the clothes that I carry ready to buy or dress as a gift.
So we are still walking through the streets of Mykonos, and they have a lot of shops. Some of the dresses here run anywhere from like €40 to over €100. It all depends on what you're looking for. Something that you need to know about this excursion, it's more of a historical tour. So if you want to experience the restaurants, if you want to go to the beach, then this tour is not for you. For €10, this is the bag I got. It's for my mom. It says, great, Mikonos, here we go. And this is the beach, guys. So you guys can see it's super crowded. But look at the water. It's beautiful. On the camera, you can't really see the blue, but it's a turquoise with the light blue. It's beautiful. Checking in to let you guys know that we're on the bus and that we are making our way to the restaurant where we're gonna have lunch as part of the excursion.
Our small, big supermarket. This is the biggest that we have over like that. We have 10,000 people. 10,000 size. But we are allowed to walk here
a certain part of the summer time. There's another country, there is not this. It is a little area that offers some job.
We have arrived. We have arrived. This is the street. And when I tell you that this excursion takes a lot of walking, we go up a lot of hills, it's no joke. So we're gonna use the restroom here and we're gonna have lunch. It's like a little town. We have souvenirs here. I got another. Ooh, let's see what they have. Okay, these are cute. Have these. So pretty. Oh wow! Look at these. So cool. And then there's like a little plaza here. And then Verdos. Taverna. So there's a restaurant. By the way, I know you guys know that like I don't tan, I burn pretty easily, and I burnt my entire arm because I left my SPF. So Sandy has burnt his entire face. So if you come on this excursion, make sure you bring SPF because you're gonna get sunburned. This is the restaurant. Oh wow. So cool. There we go.
Terrible. That place has grown.
This is the salad that they gave us. It's for two. So
You can take a picture for Kelsey?
Sandy and I, well, Sandy's gonna eat it.
Yeah, but you can tell her, take some pictures.
This is a
and we'll
Greek
send them
salad.
in. Give me the spoon. Is it a cream
This is
tea
for
or
the
ranch?
bread. This is like a sauce. And then this is like a paste.
What's that?
It's like a hummus. Really good.
So you can tell her Greek food.
Steak. I don't know what this is. Meatballs, chicken. Oh, this could be pork. Pork, I think. Ah! So, potatoes, pork, ground beef. I think this is an omelet. Chicken. Yum yum. You're heading inside a monastery. They do a talk that much, but I'll show you guys inside. Go, after you.
The icons that are small, icons are representing the big festivals that we have in the Christian Orthodox Church. And we call them 12 icons. Here we get inside, we have the beautiful table inside, the holy table. And then he has the curtains and you can see. And to the left side only we have Virgin Mary with the baby.
Instead of relax, would you like to have some, I don't know, John Bass with music?
So we have made it back to the ship, and we're gonna take a little break, and then I have no idea what we're gonna do. So follow along.
Buenas noches, damas y caballeros. Les habla Jerry, su gerente de actividades, con toda la información de lo que está sucediendo esta noche a bordo de nuestro barco. El día de hoy no se cierra el show. Nuestra fiesta.
So we have made it to dinner, and I want to show you guys the menu, but first I wanted to share the sunburn that your girl got. Ironically, today I didn't get in the water and I got a horrendous sunburn. So now I'm gonna have the salmon. What are you gonna have?
I'm gonna have chef's recommendations.
Which is veal, right?
Yeah, Greek salad, ossobuco, and Italian chocolate hazelnut cake.
That sounds good. So I'm gonna have the salmon, I'm gonna have a gazpacho. I love gazpacho. And I'm gonna have the panna cotta. Panna cotta? That's Italian. That's one of my favorite desserts. Panna cotta, rice pudding, panna cotta. Let's look at the menu. So this is what Sandy's getting, the veal. He's getting the Greek salad, and then he's getting the Italian chocolate hazelnut cake. So when you come on the cruise, they're gonna show you this menu like so, and then they're always gonna include the chef recommendations. And then they also have a section where you have to pay. You see premium selections. So this wasn't in my previous cruise. I hadn't seen that, so it's something new. And then there's so many options to choose from. So you can have a shrimp cocktail, Greek salad. These are all the appetizers, and then they have the entrees, the main courses. They have the salmon, which is what I'm gonna get, green vegetable orzo pasta, yum yum, lamb curry, and then they have desserts. I'm gonna get the panna cotta, and then another one that I think it's really good is the Italian hazelnut cake. That sounds delicious. So yeah, this is our view. And I do want to point out that when you're on Royal Caribbean, if you want to have access to the sodas, you might as well get the soda package before you come on the trip. I think while you're on the ship, you can go to guest services and upgrade, but some people get that and it's worthwhile. Everything is all inclusive at this restaurant, and they give you this yummy bread. This one is cheese bread, and then this one is just a regular bread. Okay, so Sandy and we have some feedback to share with you guys about the excursions here at Santorini and at Mykonos. Right now we're exiting Mykonos. We're making our way to Athens. We'll be there tomorrow. Something that you need to know if you're looking to book excursions with Royal. Okay, so Mykonos and Santorini is either or. Either you want to learn about the history of Mykonos and Santorini, or you can spend the day sightseeing the island, shopping, and eating. Santorini, we would do it again. We would go on the catamaran. That was a lot of fun. You get to sightsee. You don't get to go into the city, but you get to sightsee. You get to swim. You get to eat on a boat. It's really, really fun. And then if you're coming to Mykonos and you want to explore the city, then you would, I don't even think you need an excursion for that, to be honest with you. I think you'll be just fine walking on your own, having lunch, shopping, because there's a lot of that there, right? It's just like little streets with shops. Yeah, in Mykonos town, and you can do that in a day. Like,
And it's really close to the port.
and it's also really close to the port, right? Where the cruise is. So I think ideally that would be a lot of fun. But then if you love history, then it was really nice to learn about the history of Mykonos. Our tour guide, she was lovely, very knowledgeable, very smart lady. We learned about her story. She actually lived on an island without electricity. What was her name? Delos. That's the island of Delos, and she's a lovely, lovely lady, very knowledgeable. She made the excursion so much fun, and I wanted to share with you guys the options that you have. Ooh, this looks really yummy. This is a gazpacho. This is cold. So this is a Spanish soup. Let me know in the comments if you've had it before. And this you have on a hot summer day. It's cold and it's really, really yummy. Mr. Sandy?
When in Greek.
When in Greece.
When in Greece, you get a Greek salad.
Look at that. It's windy, the waves are choppy, but it's a cruise and I am in heaven. Look at that. This is a salmon that I ordered. Looks really, really good. The presentations are the best here. And Sandy had this. Ooh. Oh wow, Sandy. You guys have to see this.
It's later.
2 minutes later. Oh my god. Okay. Was it good?
Yeah, that was good.
It was flavorful. I've noticed that the food here is really, really good.
No, that's all good.
This has been the best food I've had on a cruise, honestly. It's really good. Also, something that I wanted to share with you guys is that there is a lot of empty land on Greece, on Mykonos. Well, that's where I got off, so that's what I saw. And I'm telling Sandy that if Brickell developers from Miami get on the island and they colonize, that's it. Now, jokes aside, they are building a lot more hotels, and they told us that apparently they're going to keep working on construction because it's such a beautiful island, and hopefully, you know, they could also have the same buildings that we have in Miami. They're awesome, and it's beautiful. You definitely do have to come to Mykonos. It has to be on your bucket list because it's beautiful. So what did you get for dessert, Sandy?
I forgot. What is hazelnut?
Oh, that's the hazelnut I talked about. Oh, I have to taste it. And it has ice cream. Yum yum. Panna cotta.
This is whipped cream.
This is delicious. I'm gonna end the video right here. I hope you loved this video. This was a lengthy video. I'm giving it a shot to see if you like this. So if you do, leave a comment. I'm going to be answering comments in this video. So if you have any questions, you want to reach out, be sure to drop a comment. If you could share this video, I would really appreciate it, and also like it. That truly, truly helps me. And I'm gonna have more vlogs coming up on Italy, on the excursions that I did on the cruise. So be sure to subscribe and help me spread the word. Thank you so much for the support, and I will see you next time. Bye.